guys, welcome back. This is Erica right here. I'm a tiny citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling is one of my passions, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. I'm a kitchen trivia short and Asian home cooking recipe on this channel, so if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. After a couple of heat waves, we're finally cooling down a little bit here in Boston. It is really hard to drink soup during the hot summer, but I have been having these crave for a while now. So today we're using 3 very simple ingredients to make a lightweight, nourishing soup in 10 minutes. The tomato tofu egg drop soup. The combination of tofu and egg is known to be great for cardiovascular protection. Eggs have a lot of nutrition, but we all know eating too much egg might raise your cholesterol level. While tomatoes are rich in lycopenes, which can soften the blood vessel and balance out the damage. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and carotene. Cooking it with eggs and tofu is a perfect combination of vegetable and animal protein. This soup is suitable for all people, including pregnant women, people with lower immune system, or old age. It is especially nourishing for women's after period and people with anemia. So without further ado, screenshot! Here's the ingredient that we'll need for today's recipe. We need some tomato, tofu, and eggs, scallion and broth, some starch, soy sauce, aromatic dark vinegar, salt, white pepper powder, and oil. When it comes to choosing tomatoes, we want to choose the tomato with a lot of juice in them. So either the beef tomato or the tomato on the vine will do, but I will not get the Roma tomato because they are more meaty. And for the tofu part, it might be a little bit hard to find, but we want the lactone tofu, aka the silken tofu. Compared to regular tofu, the lactone tofu are way softer and contains more water due to the way it's made. You can find this type of tofu in a Chinese supermarket or maybe in the refrigerated section in the normal grocery store. But if you can't find it, regular tofu will do. Just get the softest ones you can find. First things first, let's prep our ingredients. To make the tomato softer and produce more juice, we'll have to peel off its skin. And here's how you do it. Cut across on the bottom of the tomato and get rid of the stem. When that's done, soak them in boiling water for 20 to 30 seconds and you can see the skin start to crack. The heat will damage the connection of the skin and the flesh, so it's easier to peel. And now you got your skinless tomatoes. We just have to slice them into stripes. I like to slice them into round slices and then cut them into long slices. It doesn't have to be perfect. And here's an option for you. If you like the taste of the tomato and you like sourness, you can sprinkle some salt on the top of the tomato. It will release more flavor and sourness and tomato umami into your soup. But if you don't like that, you can skip that part as well. Your choice. Just remember the amount of salt you put on the tomato will also go into your soup later, so a little bit will go a long way. Next is our tofu. If your silken tofu comes with a hard skin, slice up the top part first so it's easier to cut. Then just chop them both horizontally and vertically, and now you got your tofu stripes. Last thing, just beat your eggs in a bowl and chop your scallion and separate the whites and the greens. Now we're ready to cook. Heat up your pot and add in some oil. Wait till the oil is hot, then add in your scallion white. Stir fry to aromatic and add in your tomatoes. This step will have to have some patience and really cook through the tomato until its juice releases. Also, the lycopene content in the tomato is hard for our body to absorb, but after cooking, the absorption rate will skyrocket. Now you see the tomato is more mushy and juicy, you can add in your broth. At the same time, I'll add in my soy sauce, vinegar, starch water to thicken up the soup, and tofu stripe. Now bring the pot to boil again, and then you can add in your beaten egg. Drop your eggs in a circular motion to create lines of eggs in the soup. This will make the egg matches the shape of the tofu and tomato and make it look prettier. If you watched my egg drop soup recipe before, you might wonder, why don't I add vinegar into my egg this time? Because in a previous egg drop soup, we're trying to create the egg flour, and today we're using the egg to create stripes. The vinegar will break the connection of the protein, so if you add vinegar into the egg this time, it will not create this beautiful line pattern. Now we just need to season it with some white pepper powder and give it a taste to see if you need more salt. Top it up with some scallion green and done! The tomato tofu egg drop soup is ready. The soup is light but packed with nutrition. It is great for all season, even the hot summer. The combination of the sweet and savory flavor with a hint of tomato sourness is the key taste to this soup. The silken tofu is super smooth and soft that can almost melt in your mouth. Give it a try if you're craving for some easy-making light soup in this hot summer. Enjoy! Thank you for watching to the end. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it's gonna help me a lot. I make video on YouTube every Monday and Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Check out this video to learn how to scramble tomato and egg, and check out the video down below to learn how to make a simple egg drop soup. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!